Okay, so went through and I built the backer. I just did it right here on the saw, taking measurements. Then I dry fit the backer. So what I did was I took that piece right here, I got the angle just perfect, clamped it down on this board I have here. It's just a nice flat board. Sawhorse, 2x4, it's pretty straight, real nice. So I took the backer, that's this L-shaped piece, it's right here, and I followed the contour of the upper parts of the cabinets. And this one's all glued and nailed. So the nice thing about this is that I was able to make the backer piece first, and then I'm gonna apply the build-up piece second. That's this piece right here. And what you have, when it's all said and done, is a very nice, very uniform, and very square build-up piece. The crown molding itself, that's this guy right here, is going to sit on the face of this guy right about there, and it's gonna go to the ceiling. All right, so I went through, and this is the upper we're doing. I set the backer piece up on top. It's not even screwed down right now. So it's just sitting there, and I got it right where I need it to be. So it's about a 1/4 inch out. Notice those bevel or that miter's coming out right at the corner there. And it's just slightly deeper. So we want a 1/4 inch spacing, and that's just gonna give us a nice little overlap. Okay, we'll run the crown, get a test piece and make sure that it all looks good, and then we'll start running the crown. It's gonna be installed in 2 separate pieces. So essentially we have the backer, which is the lower part of flat piece right there. Then we have the build up, which is that middle part. And then we got the crown molding. We're gonna install the crown and the backer separately. Okay, so we set the backer and the build up right where they need to be. And I glued up the crown molding here, these 2 pieces, and I glued up these 2 pieces together, so I did it on a flat bench. And then I have the inside corner, which is done here in the laundry room. So if I had to do it again, I would probably glue up. That inside corner's got a bit of a gap as it is right there. And that's gonna be the hardest piece right there, because trying to keep it tight down below, and where it connects to the buildup, you either have to sacrifice that edge or you have to sacrifice that, because the angle is just slightly off. Even a 1/2 degree is going to make a big deal. All right, so you can see all 3 different pieces now. You can see the build-up, or I'm sorry, the backer. Then you can see the build-up, so this guy right here. And then you can see the actual crown molding. And it was important to cut that out of the same piece. So for example, I'd cut this from the exact same piece because the profile slightly changes as the molder runs. So this looks pretty good.